Hello guys, welcome to Judy Home, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to move your model, okay, from your model software, which is Archicad, to Lummion. Alright, so let's proceed without wasting much of our time. So the first thing, open your Lummion, okay, open your Lummion. Once you open your Lummion, the next thing to do is come down to, make sure, sometimes this thing can be here, alright, make sure this import model is selected, alright. Make sure this one is on import model, and then secondly, now you see this place, this arrow you're seeing, this arrow, click on this arrow and then click on this import. Then you can select that particular model, okay. But there's something very important that you need to do first, very important. So which is, go to your modeling software. All right, for this one we're using Archicad, okay. Go to your modeling software. This is the building, the model we want to move to Lummion. All right, so first thing, you need to save it as a file that can be visible in Lummion. So how do we do that? Click on file, this is file, then click on save as. Once you click on save as, come down here. All right, most cases you see it here, based on default you see it either in SketchUp or under Archicad like this, okay. So change it from any other settings to Collada file. This is Collada file. All right, click on Collada file and then change the name. Make sure you know the location where you're saving that particular building, okay. That model, know the location where you're saving it, so you can easily access it once you open it from Lummion, okay. So let's change it to building. Let's say building 5. Building 5. So from Lummion, what we'll be searching for is building 5. All right, so click on save. This is the first step, okay. This is the first step. Now go back to your Lummion. Once you come back here, all right, remember, make sure it's on this imported models, and then secondly, click on this place. Once you click on place, this one will display. Then click on import. Let me go back again. You see this import new model, click on it, and then secondly, go to that place where you save that particular model. Remember, we save it as building 5, so we need to search for building 5. All right, you can see the building 5 here now, this one. All right, so click on building 5. Note something very important. Once you click on that building 5, don't click open immediately. Remember, we save it as Collada. So select this file to be Collada. Select this one, select the Collada file, which you save it as, alright? Which is this building 5. Okay, so click on building 5 as Collada, alright? And then click open. You can, Lummion is already asking some few questions. Model name, okay, category, blah, blah, blah. So the main thing now is click on this OK, because it's trying to confirm if that's the particular building you selected, okay. So after that, you can see our building. All right, okay, these ones are still part of some of the buildings inside, but this is, once you click once, right, click once. If you continue clicking, you continue having them. So click once and then click on this select arrow. All right, so this is the main building, this one at the right hand side. So this is the building, okay. This is the building, but the building is kind of down. All right, it's kind of buried inside this grass. So click on the model like this. You see this move vertical, click on it, and then from the first point, if it's only one building, you see this arrow, this dot, you see it here. But since this are like 3 buildings, that's why you're starting from the first one. So drag this one, take it up a little bit, okay, take it up a little bit. You can see our own grass based on the kind of landscape you did, okay. That's what you see here. So we'll be stopping here today. All right, if you find it helpful, don't forget to drop a comment. All right, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and if you find the video helpful, do well to subscribe to the channel. All right, so on our next video, we'll proceed on how to add other things, and we'll do it step by step. All right, step by step, step by step, and before you know, you become a pro on this software. All right, thank you once again for your time.